Morning.
Morning. Wow.
Paige, we are back at Oakwood Barns in Healaugh at this incredible barn conversion development. The adjoining plot is now habited along with the rest of the development, and this is someone's last opportunity to get their hands on a pretty incredible space. This kitchen is a standout feature for me.
So you've got the freezer, the fridge, double ovens, the warming plate, and most importantly, for when you're entertaining or then parties, we have the double wine cooler. It's just amazing. So the property enjoys beautiful surrounding gardens, the views are just breathtaking, and this paddock available under separate negotiation. I love this. I'm just obsessed with this house.
Have you ever been in a house where there could be master bedroom 1 and master bedroom 2?
No.
We have got 5 bedrooms, we've got 5 bathrooms, we've got 2 reception rooms, we've got this incredible open plan living space, a utility room, there are surrounding gardens, and the views across this countryside is just breathtaking. One of the real big perks, Paige, of this home is, for a house of this size, the energy efficiency of it is incredible. It's run off air source heat pumps, and the developers have taken every care to try and retain energy wherever possible.
If you're interested, give us a call, drop us a DM in the usual places.